that you say.
Put a lid on
Oh man, no way.
Put a lid down on it and everything will be alright. Put a lid on
Don't hand me
Put a
that.
lid on
I'm alright, Jack.